Pixel Gun 3D fans, it is me. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a very long time. It's my fault. I'm really sorry. But yeah, it's just because I've been busy and school started back up, and yeah. But today I just thought, I've been working really hard, and the reason I haven't been posting a lot, another reason was because I've been trying to get up to a higher level so my matches would be more intense and stuff. And so yeah, and I made it to level 22, and I'm so happy. Can't wait for level 27. Yeah, and today I thought I would bring you guys a video, and I would review the laser minigun. Well, this might be kind of an old weapon and kind of a little too late to review, but I thought I would do it anyways, because, just for fun. And a couple tips on this weapon that I should give you is that never use this weapon in a long range map, or yeah, you should use it in close range, like Silent School, or maybe Coliseum would probably be good, I'm guessing, or maybe Factory, stuff like that. So yeah, let's get into this video. This loading takes forever. It gets on 84 stop, skips to 86 stop, then keeps going. I just tap on it. So guys, how are you? Hope you guys liked a couple of our other videos. Yeah. This takes forever. Shout out to Nove, my best friend. He's my Pixel Gun 3D friend, and he's my YouTube friend. What is taking so long? You guys, I'm sorry. I knew I should never record it. So, I'm just going to pause this. Okay, you guys, we are back now. Yeah, so just want to show you guys some stuff. So, this is what the laser minigun looks like if you did not know. The top seller, efficiency 25, firing rate 97, capacity 75, mobility 100. It shoots out lasers, and it's a wall break. Wow. So we need to mask up. Yeah. Okay, you guys, we're about to get into a match, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, you guys, we just joined a match of Silent School, and yeah. So let's get this started. Why do I feel like I know this guy? I played with this guy in 7 different matches before, but I never added him. Well, this weapon is not, it's actually, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but it's really good. I just suck with it. That's the problem. And this weapon, it could be spammy, but you don't really want to spam it like that. And you won't get very good gaming play with, far distance. Look, it took forever to take him out, and this gun, I don't know what, 4 headshots or something. So let's compare this to the prototype. Well, this is a really good weapon, because this is also a wall break, and it's the same thing as laser minigun. The laser minigun is just spammy. And this is for more people to use. Invisibility kill would probably be a little bit hard to get. I mean, if you ask me. Because it's kind of hard. So let's see if we can kill somebody, the guy through the wall. No? Okay. And I think my next review will be on this, because it's just really cool. See, he really sucks with it. Another thing I was thinking about making this video also on, it's going to be a review, but it's also going to be on a little bit of a Pixel Gun 3D glitch for Android. I think this works for iOS, but it works better on iOS, but I want to show you. So, when it gets to 5 seconds, press the home. Okay, then you count to 0 or 5, whatever. Okay, then you go back to Pixel Gun 3D. Okay, this is going to say reconnecting to the room. Don't press cancel, just wait till it's loading. Okay, we're waiting. Okay, then it's gonna put you back in the match, but you're gonna have how many kills you had, and you're gonna keep that score. And it really works, and I think we're gonna use this a couple times in the match. Somebody's beating us by 6 kills, bro. See how bad I am? And I love this weapon, like, yeah. I wanted to do a versus on these two, but like, nah, cause what's the point? Dun, dun. Ew, what did I just do? I killed somebody. Don't spam this weapon, people. Do not spam, or you end up being like me. Do I even know how to speak the language I speak? Okay, what sense does that make? You stop giving me messages, please. Please, tablet, please. Look how it reloads. It reloads so slow. Unless you have like the cowboy hat on or something. Oh my gosh. What's that? Wow, somebody has something to do. A guy with a carrot kill. Should I just end this video here? Come on. Such a loser. I never actually got a chance to try this out, so let's just see how it works. What, technically a Mexican, so that's what I can infer. Infer, see the word, see what it did. Oh, okay. Okay, back to laser minigun. I would say hi to YouTube. Actually, say hi to YT. Cool. Okay, let's go to work. Wait, did somebody do that? Oh no, they fixed that glitch. I'm guessing. My friend Noah taught me it, but then I was like, how do you do it? And I tried everything I could. So I think we're going to go to a different map with this, because I'm just getting not good gameplay. How many kills I have? I have 6, and there's somebody that has 26. See, we got a kill there through the wall. Hear this. Oh no, he found us. I think. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys liked this video. If you enjoyed, give us a thumbs up. And I will see you guys hopefully next week. I love you guys so much, and goodbye.